What is going on, traders and investors? We have a crazy week coming up this week, so do not miss out. There's going to be some crazy opportunity, and the VIX is going crazy. A bunch of volatility is about to enter the market. As you can see in the last week, we have had horrible unemployment rates, and next week, this is horrible, guys. So there's an 89% chance that the Fed will cut 29 basis points, and if he does not cut less than that, then guys, the stock market is actually cooked. Guys, this is XLK, the technology sector of the S&P 500. As you can see, we have just been consolidating in this level. Could be looking for a big swing trade move on this, breaking out of consolidation. But this is literally because all of the large cap companies and all the tech AI companies are letting go of so many people. So many people are losing their jobs. Unemployment is actually racking up like crazy. A lot of recession fears. So yeah, we are starting to see some really bad jobs numbers. And obviously we will be live streaming the CPI and FOMC meeting. 2 weeks ago when Jerome Powell talked, we got into Intel literally before he started talking. And just because I have a quantified volatility strategy for this type of news days, and we were able to bank 50% before he started talking, before 10 a.m., we had already banked 50%, and all of the contracts that we had in there were runners in my Discord. And after he started talking at 10 a.m., these actually went absolutely insane. Our runners went 300%, netting us a solid 150 average percentage gain. So not only did we secure a guaranteed 50% gain because we sold all of our contracts and just left profit, we were able to secure so much more because the talk was really good. All right, let's get into the technicals, and I will tell you guys some swing trades I'm looking for that I could be getting into. Real quick, can I get your email address? Because I want to send you something worth $1,000 straight to your inbox. And the way I'm going to do that is through my 5-step PRB trading strategy that I use every single morning in the first 15 minutes of market open to hit trades like this. And I'm going to send you this completely for free. And other creators charge $1,000. $5,000 and $10,000 for this type of checklist. And I want to give out to the people, so I'm going to be giving it out completely for free. All you have to do is go down to the description of this video and I will see you on the other side. So as you guys can see, this consolidation right here, let's go ahead and look at a similar consolidation over here. Okay, look what happened. We broke below that consolidation and we saw a crazy move down. Okay, not only just that, we could see over here, check this out, guys. Big consolidation, and then we had a big move down. Okay, if we break out of this consolidation base right here, I'll be looking for puts. If we break above, I'll be looking for calls. So we have AMD here dropping like crazy, and AMD is leading the stock market bubble. So this could absolutely cause the collapse of the AI bubble, just like how we had the dot-com crash. So AMD has absolutely been dropping like crazy. I could definitely see it dropping even more, but as we can see here, from highs, we have dropped about almost 20% here, guys. Almost 20% is an active resistance level. I got into a small swing trade because we were respecting this Bollinger Band. Many times before, it respects the Bollinger Band. But I know you guys will say oh, it lags, but guys, look at this crazy move down on the Bollinger Band. When we come hit this, we could definitely be seeing some upside. I know there's going to be a lot of buyers because this is resistance level 2. We had some bullish momentum after we hit this, and we started going back up, and we've seen the same thing happen before after a big drop on the with AMD, just coming right here. We can see big drop. Obviously finding the low right here, and then some bullish momentum taking over and making all-time highs again. And that's what I'm going to see with my small swing trade position, guys. I don't have too big of a swing trade position, but I could definitely see this going crazy and giving me like a 500 to 1,000% return. It is a small risk to I have a really good risk to reward, probably 10 to 1. I call this out for my premium Discord. So as you guys know, post-election year, September is always the worst month. September is always the worst month, and we are definitely seeing the effects of that with AMD and NVIDIA. As you guys can see here, NVIDIA is down about 10% from all-time highs, and hitting this Bollinger Band again. which it hasn't done in a very long time. So we could definitely see it keep on going lower, or a nice respectance of this. Bunch of buyers might take control and bring this back to all-time highs, but we will see. Guys, look at Apple, guys. I called Apple out for you guys when we were forming this beautiful bullish flag pattern. Look at this. I'll just make it again. I deleted this, but look at this, guys. We broke out of it and we entered some leaps on this position, and it is absolutely printing right now. I have already scaled out. I should have held longer because these absolutely went crazy. I sold all, left like one runner right here, and then we dropped down here, but I'm still holding that, and now it's going crazy. Should have held them all, but I did not held them all. But you can't do that, guys. See profit, take profit. Okay, no one goes broke taking profit. If I would have sold these option calls later, and like maybe yesterday, that would have been way better. But I will take my 40% profit right here instead of taking my 200% profit up here. I'm okay with it. I rather secure some profit than taking a big loss. We could see Apple going even higher with the new news coming out about the new products and hitting all-time highs again. We have definitely a lot of room to grow, and that's why I'm holding this leap contract. It is a leap now. Before, it was just in the money. It was like, I think it was like at the money, like one strike above of out of the money, and it's like a few months out expiration. But now we are in the money, deeply in the money, and this is now a leap contract. I'm going to be holding these maybe till expiration. I could definitely see Apple going back up if these new product news is good. We have seen Tesla hitting some higher highs and higher lows consistently, guys. Look at these higher highs and higher lows. Just consistent. And we ended up getting a 60% options day trade the other day. It was an absolute banger. It was actually on Friday we got a nice move up after this, because Tesla was actually performing really good in pre-market, and we entered in a market open continuation move, and these actually printed us 60%. It was really good. I could definitely see Apple making some more bigger moves to the upside. As you guys can see, we are breaking out of some nice some resistance level. We could definitely see some higher moves. So I'm still holding my shares. If you guys want to see my long-term portfolio, go ahead and join my Discord in my bio, and you can see what I am holding. I'm still looking for BMNR to break out of this downtrend. As you can see, we tried, but we failed. I did not get on in this day. We were actually in, was this Wednesday? Yeah, we got into Amazon on this day, and these contracts on Amazon went 250%. So this is why I missed BMNR here, but I'm happy I did not get in because it was actually a fake out. So we need to see Ethereum cooperate for BMNR to start breaking out of this downtrend and start going crazy. But as for now, we will be patient and we will look to get some leap calls or some swing trade option calls. If this does break out of this huge downtrend, I can even put it all the way up to here now. It looks really good. Stay tuned for that. Another great stock is ASML. I ended up entering in here at the 700th level, and this has been doing absolutely super good for me. We hit some big moves down for some reason down here, and I ended up adding some more over here because I'm just so confident in the stock, and it worked out. I'm currently up 10% on all these positions, and I've only been in this for about 3 weeks. I told you guys about ASML after this big news down hit, but guys, the fundamentals, the sentimentals, the qualitative analysis on this stock is absolutely beautiful. I would be trading some day trade option contracts of this stock because it works perfectly with my PRB strategy. It's just there's not enough volume at market open for like at the money option contracts that I want to trade for these. But we have been doing really good. This past week, I have not had one losing trade on my option contracts. So guys, this week I trade with my PRB strategy for market open. So we look for psychological breaks at market open, and I'm in a 5 out of 5 streak. This whole week has been absolutely crazy. Amazon went 250%. PLTR on Tuesday went 120%. And there's some other like consistent 60% gainers, guys. 60% keeps the 9 to 5 away. And yeah, if you want to trade with me live, I go live every morning, 9:25. Just go ahead and click the link in my bio, and you can join my free Discord, or you can join the 7-day free trial for my premium Discord, where you get a lot of benefits. Go ahead and use code SALE, like I mentioned before, for 50% off, and you guys can join my community. And yeah, you will not regret it. Just come and learn my PRB strategy, then you can leave. It's that simple. I think it'll benefit a lot of you guys and make you guys a lot of money, because I've been back testing the strategy thousands of hours for years. I've back tested it for like 20 years in the history and just kept back testing it. And yeah, if you want to learn more about that, it's really profitable, guys. 5 out of 5 in a row. My average win rate on this is over 80%. So I've been able to consistently grow my portfolio. Like some days, some weeks, I'll increase my portfolio by 20% if it's a really good week. Okay, literally, last month, August, it was one of my best months. I increased my portfolio by about 80%, which is absolutely incredible. I'm really happy. Make sure you join us below. But otherwise, if you want to trade live with me for free, go ahead and check the link in my bio, and you can go to the Extreme. There is a small delay, 60-second delay. But if you want no delay, join the 7-day free trial. You can cancel whenever. So if you have any insights on what I'm trading or any stocks you want to talk about in the comment section, go ahead and comment it. And any questions or anything, go ahead and comment and leave a fat thumbs up on this video if you think I provided you any help or any stock insights on what is going on. So go ahead and leave a comment. What are your favorite setups right now? Would love to hear from you. Are you holding? Are you holding on a lot of cash? Are you investing heavy? All right, guys. Peace, peace, peace. Check the link in my bio for 7 days free trial and 50% off. Peace.